Now that we've talked about nets of three-dimensional figures, we have to discuss how to find the surface area of these figures. Now, the surface area is just what it sounds like. It's the area of each of the surfaces on the figure, and we're going to add them all together to be our total surface area of our figure. It's as if we were wrapping a present, and our present was the shape of this square pyramid here. And we want to have enough wrapping paper to cover the outside of the square pyramid, and that's what we mean by surface area. So let's see how we can find surface area. And as I said, all we're doing is taking the area of all of the surfaces, the faces and the base of our pyramid, and we're going to add them all together. So let's start with the base. It is a square in this case, and you can see that the dimensions are 6 inches by 6 inches. So we have to remember back to our area formula for squares, and all we're going to do is take 6 times 6, and we should get 36 square inches. Remember, our area is in square units. All right, so that was kind of the easy part. Now, let me take off some of my drawings here. And let's talk about the faces. Now, as I said in a previous video, when we look at the net of this pyramid, we see that the faces are in the shape of triangles. And because this is a square pyramid, all of the triangles have the same base and the same height. So, and you can see that one of them is marked here. So our base is 6 inches and our height is 6 inches. So who can remember our area formula for triangles? It wasn't that long ago. So area of a triangle is 1/2 times base times height. So we have to do that for this face. 1/2 times 6 times 6. So that's 36, and half of 36 is going to be 3. It's late at night when I'm doing this. Sorry, I'm having a brain fart. Is going to be 18 square inches. All right, so that is the area of one of our triangles. However, we don't have one triangle, we have 4 triangles. So you can either say 18 plus 18 plus 18 plus 18, or we can say 18 square inches times 4. And this time I'm getting out my calculator because I don't trust my brain when it is late at night. So let's see, 18 times 4, and we get 72 square inches. Don't forget our base up here, 36 square inches and 72 square inches. We need to add those together to find our final total, which is 108 square inches. So taking the area of the base and then taking the area of all 4 triangles, and you can just take the area of one since it's a square and add that together 4 times or multiply by 4. So that's surface area. Now, I gave you another problem down here, and you can try it on your own. But what I want to point out here is that we have a different shape on our base because this is not a square pyramid. It is a triangular pyramid. So we have to calculate the area of this triangle and then the area of the 3 triangles that make up the faces of the pyramid. Because the dimensions are going to be different for the base triangle and the other triangles that make up the faces. So that's something to think about. I want to give you a chance to try that, and then I will come back in another video and go through that problem with you.